Good morning, everybody. I got one badass engine on the dyno here. Happens to be one of our Windsor 427s. We build one great motor here. Nothing but the best of pieces that we can find available for us to build all of our engines. This one's got a Wilson EFI unit on top. We got the Holly EFI distributor in here. Again, Ford racing block. We have Victor Jr. Edelbrock heads on this. We got a full bolt march system. It's been painted black with black wires. Just got done making about 612 foot-pounds of torque down low where we want it. We made almost 600 horsepower. Hey, that's not bad for a 575 build. You want the best? Give us a call. Peace.